merchant was overwhelmed with emotion when he saw his children. He hugged them all tightly.
"Oh, my dears,"
he said.
"the most terrible thing happened. I got lost in the woods and ended up in a palace where a beast lives. I took a rose from his garden, and this angered him greatly. He vowed to take my life. I must leave you now."
He handed Beauty the rose, but there were tears in Beauty's eyes.
"Thank you for the rose, Father, but you've made my heart sad with this terrible news. Let me offer myself to the monster instead."
She had such honor and loved her father dearly. Her brothers jumped in and said,
"No, you will do no such thing. We will kill this beast or die trying." "The beast is very strong,"
the merchant warned.
"That will not be an easy task. And although Beauty's offer is so kind, I cannot allow it. I am old. I do not have long to live. It is I who will give my life."
But no matter what her father said, Beauty insisted that she go with him.
"You cannot stop me,"
she said.
"I will come with you and make a plea."
This made her sisters happy. Finally, they would be rid of that wretched girl. The merchant was very sad about the whole thing. Then he realized that he forgot about the chest of gold from the beast. When he went to his room, he found it and showed it to Beauty. Beauty told her father that while he was gone, 2 men had proposed to marry her sisters. She said that he should give this fortune to them and send them off in marriage. You see, no matter how cruel her sisters were, Beauty still loved them. She had a heart that was pure and true. She was so caring, and everyone knew. The next day, the merchant and his daughter went to the palace. Soon they came face to face with the beast.
"Did you come here willingly?"
the beast demanded Beauty. The whole room shook when he spoke, and Beauty trembled.
"Yes,"
she said.
"Merchant, you have done your deed,"
the beast said.
"You may now leave and never return."
The poor merchant was beside himself with grief. He left with a heavy heart. Beauty decided that she might as well use the little time she had left. She decided to walk around and explore the beautiful palace. She saw a door that said, Beauty's apartment. Inside, there was a library full of interesting books, a piano, and other lovely things. Wow! She could have a wonderful time here forever. She opened a book, and it told her that she could have anything she wished there. In fact, she also found a magic mirror. When she looked into it, she could see her whole family. Beauty was overjoyed. The beast was also very nice. He didn't seem like a monster. He was smart and had a beautiful heart. He did everything he could to keep Beauty happy and content. They would sometimes sit by the fireplace and talk for a long time. Slowly, Beauty stopped fearing him. She greatly enjoyed his company. The beast was so kind, gentle, and thoughtful. The castle was very large. Beauty decided to look around.
"One of the rooms is open. Let's check it." "Let's collect the crystals here. I think I saw one like this on the door in the pink room." "Maybe there is one behind the curtain. We have all the crystals for the pink door. Let's open it." We need to find blue crystals now. I can see a crystal under the cushion. I can see a crystal under the cushion. We found all the blue crystals. We can enter the blue room now. I wonder what we'll find in this beautiful room. What a beautiful mirror. Ah, isn't this my home? How I've missed it. And here are my beloved sisters. Father, why is he so sad? Is he sick?